Welcome back to Jakarta. 27 countries are all now performed and the voting line is now closed. We have the winner. But before we will take the moment of excite, take a look for the precious winner. Raisa and Izana Sivaswati. What a great song from them. Thank you both for bringing us to Indonesia. Okay. Let's start. The most cursed country with 27 points is Turkmenistan. Pre-last with 30 points is also the pre-qualified country, Fiji. With only 5 more points, Wando County. Another automatically qualified country to go. It's Mongolia. Look like the pre-qualifiers are most cursed by me. But the next one will be the more not. You're cursed, China. China is out. It's like another China is going to be out too. It's time for Macau. Being Chinese-speaking country would be easy to fall in my darkness. I think there's only one left. Cry no more, Singapore. My heart is breathing. My power is dancing in the rain. Okay. Let's see the next one. Oh my god. Are you serious? How dare you? Selamat. Indonesia. Asia and Pacific. I'm gonna curse your dream to be nightmare now. Since Indonesia is out, we're gonna keep cursing you all. Indonesia is a country with many islands. Why not we have another country with a ton of islands out? Sayonara, Japan. I will give you a clue for the next country. Non-qualifier in last edition. Can you guess it right? If your answer was Kazakhstan, then you're winner. It's time for geography question. Which country sent the Queen, Gisela, to Eurovision in Serbia? Yeah. It's Andorra. Doesn't it sound similar to someone? Andra from Saudi Arabia. Congrats for your first qualification though. Merah, Hijau, Putih dan Hitam. In Indonesian, it means red, green, white and black. Which flag has all of them in itself? The United Arab Emirates flag. Another one with amount of 65 points. Do you know Malala Yousafzai? She once received the Nobel Peace Prize. And also be her country's spokesperson in the first edition. She is from Pakistan. Oh nice. We have another tie. But who will get more curse and being loser of the tie? not too far from Pakistan. Islamic Republic of Iran. I'm now tired of the Asian country. Let's move to other continents. Africa Song Contest. We miss you. And also wait for the Zimbabwean revenge. Now, Tunisia. Bye bye. Empty out my soul. Frame my blood. Now that's a beautiful art. Have you ever heard that song? Congratulations for winning on Asia Vision Song Contest. But look like you're not gonna win this one with Vietnamese song. Cambodia. Only one country to have my curse enough to being out the top 10. Have you ever thought about it? It's even once being second in Disney's contest. To Syria. At this moment, we can say the 10 survivors who is lucky enough to break my powerful curse. Korea Republic, Kiribati, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Laos, Thailand, Vanuatu, Brunei, Lebanon, and Jeju-do. You are now top 10. Okay. Let's start now. The 10th place, with the total score of 79 points is Korea Republic's biggest island, Jeju-do. Great debut. Good job for Jeju-do again. The country which finished 9th place, with only one more point from Jeju-do, is another Muslim country, Brunei. Slay neighbor. It's time for the Buddhist nation now. You're robbed again. Sri Lanka. Seven countries are left, but only 6 countries will be able to automatically qualified in next edition. Even you're failed in the contest. Indonesia still wants to host the World Cup with you. Thailand. Ladies and gentlemen, we can reveal the 6 lucky countries who will be in the final without the risk of non-qualification. They're Korea Republic, Kiribati, Vietnam, Laos, Vanuatu, and Lebanon. Let's see the short recap of all 6 songs.
She was even
6 nations are in the race of winning. 1 East Asian, 2 Southeast Asian, 1 Middle East, and 2 Oceania. Where will we go aboard to after the amazing night in here, Jakarta? Sadly, 6th place with the total score of 103 points is also from my country's region, Vietnam. With Vietnam being out, 5 countries is left. The next country to be not included in the race. Start with the K. It's you, Kiribati. Four countries that still have a chance to host the next edition. Make us got 75% to go to somewhere new, and 25% to return to the previous host. Even I wanna visit this country, but I can say, we won't go to there this time. It's your best placement though, Korea Republic. Congrats. Hey, everyone. We now have 3 most ranked countries. Laos with Janine Weigel, Vanuatu with Betelemi, and Lebanon with Nina Abdel Malik. Listen to their songs again.
Boy, you got me ghosted. But I am my buster. È come fosse una bambola, è come fosse una, è come fosse una bambola, è come fosse una.
We now reach the moment of life. I will start announce each country's points from Laos to Vanuatu and Lebanon. Who is your winner? Tell me with using the hashtag I support with the 3-letter code of the country you cheer in every social media. Don't forget to include hashtag SOA62. I can't take this longer anymore. Yaman Weigel. You got the amount of score of 179 points.
Boy, you got me ghosted.
Let's move to the next competitor. Betelemi from Vanuatu. Will she overtake Yanin's throne? Or will she be out of the race instead? Beta. You got the amount of points of 136 points. Which not enough to be in this race. Congrats though.
È come fosse una bambola, è come fosse una, è come fosse una bambola, è come fosse una.
The time of exciting moment is coming. Southeast Asian Laos and Middle East Lebanon are the only 2 countries left. Will Nina be the heroine of Middle East for the first time? Or it's Yanin to revenge after her unsuccessful last place in Vanuatu? Nina Abdel Malik, the Lebanese representative, got the total score of 100 and only 155 points. which is not able to take Yanan's throne. Okay. Yanan. Please come to the stage.
Oh my god. I can't believe this is real. Thank you so much for this precious victory. I, as the Laotian representative, want to thank you, everyone, for support us, after being dead last in previous edition. It's unbelievable to make a revenge this successful. I have to thank a lot for the Lao broadcaster to give me the second chance even I failed once. As the edition's motto say, Ganmu. My dream is now success. As you can see mine, yours can also be done too. I hope I will receive another chance from my born country, Thailand, to come to the stage again. Thank you so much. See you in Vientiane.
The party needs to have its own deadline. Of course, this edition too. We hope you all have a good vibe being in Jakarta and successfully find your own Ganmu. Before we will see you again in Laos, it's the winner's victorious time. Here is your winner of tonight. Yanan Wego, Ghostbuster, from Laos.
For me to see, you like keeping me in the dark. You love playing with my fragile heart. I told you not to come, but you keep haunting me, told me to run. Haunting, haunting, haunting me. Haunting, haunting, haunting me. Haunting, haunting, haunting me. Boy, you got me ghosted. As a charm, under a spell you curse me in your arms. Made the mistake to call it done. Now you keep haunting me, told me to run. Yeah, I should've known. Yeah, I should've known. Never trust someone that's supposed to you no more. But I couldn't stay away, resist the thrill of it. Now you're out there, solo going, killing it. You kill it. Haunting, haunting, haunting me. Haunting, haunting, haunting me. Haunting, haunting, haunting me. Boy, you got me ghosted. But I am a Ghostbuster. And I am not a bastard. Boy, you got me ghosted. Boy, you got me ghosted. But I am a Ghostbuster. Boy, you got me ghosted. Boy, you got me ghosted. And I am not a bastard. But I am a Ghostbuster. And I am gonna bust ya.